Yeah, hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, we'll see how and which software is best suited for starting the live stream around the YouTube. Okay, so I am going to do a live stream here. I just have downloaded this. You see here on the screen OBS Studio, and yes, of course it is free and it is freely available. Whatever you are going to use, but yeah, some paid version is also available. You see here the high performance real time audio video capture and mixing. So there are lots of feature and options we'll have here on the OBS Studio. And you see OBS is a open source, free and open source cross platform screening live streaming app. Okay, so cross platform means whatever the operating system you are using will have this application, like the window will have the Mac OS and the Linux. So it supports all. So I have downloaded this the window one, and now I had just click on next, and it is, you see here the complete setup screen is coming in front of me. And now I'm going to launch this one. So you see here it's launched now. Yeah, not yet. Yeah, so it will take bit of time because it's a application, and anything that is around the visuals and some graphics kind of thing, it will take more time to load. Okay, so current it is open now, and you see here it's saying me the version, obvious version, whichever version I'm using. Okay, so skip version, and but in case you want to go with the latest one, so you can update. So let me try updating that one. Yeah, so you see here the update is on my screen, it is running, and first thing it is searching for the level updates, and you see in a while, in case found something. Okay, so in this what you can do, you can add your like the tweetech, logitech, youtube. So you can premiere with this, and the timer tier sponsors, these are the sponsors. So here my target is this is my video, I want to go live for that. Yeah, update complete, you see here, and now again I'm going to launch OBS. And here I will first create a live streaming in my YouTube, then I will try adding here. Okay, so here you can add your and mix up your sound. Here you see the audio. So basically I don't have to use audio, but in case the audio mixer you see here, of course. But if you don't have to record audio and video, you can skip this one. Okay, now the main thing you'll have here the sources. So in case you want to add scene, you have depend scene, then you can go for that. But now I have to just add the sources, because if I click on the setting, okay, so go for setting directly, and you can also come here from uh, okay, so audio setting you can go for first, whichever audio you want to go with mixing you can do. I'm not sure why this is teachable, the sources is not coming. I, okay, so first thing I will try is doing the settings here. So you can go within files, and after clicking on setting, this screen will appear. Okay, so basically I have to do a stream, live stream, and the options here you see the YouTube RTMP. So I have to do this one. Now I can see primary YouTube in this server. Yeah, so let it be connect account. So that is recommended one. So yeah, you can also use the stream key here. Okay, so let me try using the stream key. And so for that, if you have to go to live with YouTube, So here itself you can create first you'll have to create an event here so that you can use here the stream key. Okay, so now I'm going to create live here, go live, and of course it's a stream one. So camera not working properly for me, and yeah, thumbnail I have here this. This is my timeline. So in this video I am going to teach basically for the live one, not the currently we are moving ahead with. So I have to teach from zero to modal hero admin roadmap. So this will go here the title, and the description will come the same description. This is the description. Yeah, now I'm not going to use the webcam, and the category I will have to choose. So it's a science and technology, that is my category. Yeah, the playlist will go within this, and no, I'm not creating for the kids. Next, so choose your ad frequency. So balance conservative. So since my site is my YouTube channel is monetized, that is why it is coming like this. So I will keep whatever is coming default. So next, so how long you want participant to wait between sending message. So I don't want anything to do here. So redirect allow the keep viewers engaging across multiple events. So add a live event premiere for the people to watch after the end. So trailers are like creativity to share now. So I don't have much knowledge around, but yeah, the first second time I guess I'm doing this one. Yeah, of course, this is going to be public, so you can also specify the time here. So it will take the next 1 minute. Now you see here in a very few moments I will be live. Yeah, you see here, and here I can go live. I can also set here in case you have to earn some money. You can also set this whatever the super chat total amount. So I have never received because second time I'm trying this one. So you can do something like this. Okay. Yeah. So Q&A will available. Post this live. This is- Okay. So Q&A cost will be, yeah, Q&A for. So this is something if someone pay, the Q&A will be. So let's say just Q&A is available. And start goal. Yeah. So I just created my goal, and now from here I just going live. It say, yeah. So here uh, stream. Okay. So stream. Yeah. If I click on this stream, I will have here the key. Cause yeah. So I will copy this key and come up here and paste. Okay. So get stream key. Now it redirect me here on my YouTube channel, and let's see what it appears. Yeah, connect streaming software to go live. So we will be able to find your stream once you go live. Okay, so here now, so it is asking me to connect. So this is the stream URL. So apply. Okay, so now I can see here to YouTube chat live. So, okay, so here I can add the screen. So media source, add existing. Okay, to then start streaming. Okay, so the moment I click, it looks like you haven't added any video source. Um, so it will so here, so the video source I will have to add. Okay, so if you click on this source, you see here the video source. So I can add the video source, media source. Okay, so if I click on OK here, and it will give me options here to browse this particular video. So I will click here, and I will be browsing this one, and I will click on OK. Now you see I have the source. Okay, so I don't want the chat here. You just close a table window. If you like to show it again, use no, I don't want to show that one. Okay, so this is a video basically will be playing. Okay, so let's start the streaming now. Yeah, now here I can come and I can see. Now here I can come on my YouTube and I can see the live one. Okay, so you see here the timing also, set. We can adjust from here if you want. Okay, so that's it from this video. It is already ended now. Thank you for watching.